ndarikia form 4 ndenda gutua macani na kawa. I really man you ndendaga tu something ona kwa ndarererwo Kirinyaga bani ndetigagira gutua macani na kawa. Giving the school an academy school ngiambia kuthomithia. After form 4 ndathire kuria wira na results cia MOOC. Mpaka tu point ndathi kuria school imwe akinjira atiriri kwa ni wezi ngoje results za KCSE zitoke. Ile place nilikuwa nakaa Karo kwari na kathoko na bau ngona ganduka eno na thoko eno itikoragwo na githeri. So ninapikia githeri kwa nyumba ninapelekea huyo wa shop ngamwira siuzie watu na kulanga githeri. There's one thing I have realized with life, Karo. Utembia sio kagasiandikitwe kuria cia uma.
Exactly, yes.
Tigane ni ndirakwira ndanaruga muthere. Uwezi jua nilipika githeri. Na mbia icio na wira ndarutaga nacio gutiba ndo ciera ici ni cia githeri tengiko. Ni kujituma. Na riria ndonire atiriri when you get money ati ciringi imurikagwa ningi. Ngimenya riu na nikande mitware Kirinyaga nyambie kurima nduma. And up to date I have done nduma farming for like now 10 years.
Wow.
Karo ndaneta atumia ba kana ndo ara mundu anjira atiriri natafuta kazi. Ngamwira atiriri nengire akathoma for free from the designer.
Yes.
Tugacoka tukamenya buria ngiona machine arute wira ucio. Those are the only things that we have done. We've empowered even young people from the village. Arama umete family ringi itena kiria muno mundu agokage kagothi gake for free.
Ino ni tafarira ya This Is Me na muthenya wa umuthi turi na mutumia uthiete aka beat the odds tondu aranjira kuringana na muturire wake kuria aumite arikia kirathi gia form 4 ni akorirwo akigeria mawira matiganite umwe wamo ari kuruga githeri ni agutwira hihi ri ndwara ici na ngothi ino ni arugite githeri ni tukumenya tondu twirago Ngai ni aturingagia kuma riri umwe nginya riri uri ungi. Muthoni Maina kuma Kirinyaga ni mundu wonaga akiina hari YouTube kana screen ni yakwa korwo ni TV ni ningi ni njui kuri andu manangetia Royal Fashions kuri aturi muthenya wa umuthi mwena wa Kasarani kuri akoragwo agituma nguo kirorerwo. Nguo ici ni nguo cia mohiki ni nguo cia magongona ta ruracio ni uniform ta iria mungikoo mugikira we na aruti aku a wira ni nguo ciena design iria original iria we mwenyewe akomete gwa karota na ageciria kona kindu kiu no thondeke ta ici urona guko bica-ini icio ire house screen-ini yaku na ni undu wohoro makiria ntugukorwo tukiaraniria nake atwira uria makoragwo magiuka na design cia nguo cia ciana cia tumia cia andu agima mithemba yothe na nginya iratu iria cingihota gutwarana na nguo ta icio koguo ntugukorwo tukinyitanira nake na gwiraga thiini wa tafarira ino tukaga ha nigetha tumwikire mwihoko nigetha ugathoma kuma kwi rugano rwa mundu uri ungi no kaigue ikiro iria akirite thiini wa muturire wake reke riu tuikare twicemba nigetha tuthikiririe rugano rwa Muthoni. Uhoro waku Muthoni hoine wa umuthi?
Mwega fiu Karo.
Ona ni ndi mwega muno na ningenete muno ni undu wa gukorwo nawe thiini wa kirathi. Muthoni, you're so beautiful.
Thank you so much Karo.
Muno.
Thank you muno.
Atiriri ni ndi ndakwira no ni nyendete muini witagwo Josephat Macharia muno. Na muthenya umwe ri ngiona rwimbo-ini rwake makina na mwiritu wari muthaka muno na ngiuria riu ndacoke kumenya ngimenya niwe gicoke ngiona andu mekirite nguo njega online magatag Royal Fashions ngiuga kumbe she's the face behind it ndi mukeni muno Muthoni ni ndu wa gukorwo nawe thiini wa gikaro giki na ni wira mwega muno urutaga.
Thank you.
Asante sana.
Asante.
Na umuthi turenda tukumenya hani tutanamenya uhoro wa utumia wa nguo ciaku Muthoni no mbere ndari ndukigeithia mwirore no mwire twiku.
Mwiroreri wa kirathi gia Karo Kinyugo, asante sana. Bamarito makwa njitagwo Muthoni Maina kuma Kirinyaga County kundu gwitagwo Gishugu constituency ward etagwo Ngariama ward. Karo, just to let you know, Ngariama ward ni ku Her Excellency Governor wa Kirinyaga Madam Anne Waiguru aumete. So in short I'm trying to say to make leadership echo to better the same word with the governor.
Kai Muthoni hihi Ngai aguciarite twike mutongoria ni ugutwira thiini wa shoindo.
Yes.
Ndumenye nona toria gatanga tuonaga ini nona toria na kuria Nyahururu tuonaga tengeri no gukorwo na ku Gishugu o uguo kwina atongoria maybe or just maybe You could be one of them. Thank you.
Yes. Riu kuu ni kunyumite karo ngaciarirwa kuu Kirinyaga ngarererwa Kirinyaga ngathomera parts Kirinyaga then from hapo sasa nikakuja huku sasa.
Wow. Ni thank you muno na nituguka nigetha tukorwo tukimenya omire Kirinyaga ate wikinya guku Nairobi kuri andu mokire hihi ni undu wa githomo kuri mokire tondu ni monire rufaru kana mwendwa magithioka ni undu wa itumi cia kuhika nitugukorwo tukimenya makiria. Karibu sana oro ringi muthoni twitikirie tumenye kuria Gicuguri nikuo wathomeire na mwaciaritwo muri igana.
Kuria nyumite a family of 4 tuyairi tuciaritwe tuyairi. I'm the first born. Our second born is my brother. Kogo tuyairi tuciaritwe tuyairi. Then ngathomera school yetagwo Kiambatha Primary School. Ndarikia Kiambatha Primary School, I went to Kiangwenyi Secondary School. Ndarikia Kiangwenyi Secondary ngithi Egerton University. Yes.
Nice. Wathire guthomera ki Egerton?
Ndathire ngika counseling psychology. Yes.
Warikia campus ndwakionire wira hau?
No, ndiona wira bau karo. It has been a journey I see. No njugiria atiriri rugendo rwakwa, people say ni God kila time kila saa, lakini yangu naona kama ni sana yakwa kila kona ni sana. Karo, I'm not able to complain before God. Nina magwa pio ona rira mathina mokata mundu. So after finishing ndio na wira nindekarire for like a whole year. Nditonete wira into me a whole year ni mwaka ni munene. Nditonete wira to a point barende karaga garoria area ya ribau. Just to take you back kidogo, ndarikia form 4 ndenda gutua macani na kaua. I really man you ndendaga tu something ona kwa ndarererwo Kirinyaga bani ndetigagira gutua macani na kaua. Ngetha skuru an academy school ngiambia kuthomithia. After form 4 ndathire kuria wira na results cia mock mpaka to a point ndathi kuria skuru imwe akinjira atiriri kwa ni wezi ngojea results za KCSE zitoke. Ngiuga ni tondu passion yakwa ni kuthomithia, but deep down I know that's not my passion. Macani na kaua ndirorera nikiwa shule de high school twabinga riu nkonie baba bure nyendete kuthoma so akanyandikira mwarimu holidays kathoma, you know that kathoma. I would really want to thank God ni undu wa my dad tondu nake nendete kithomo muno koguo ndambone ndirenda kuthoma, he would rather sacrifice tukorwe na mwarimu aratuthomithia holiday. So that's it. Ngetha wira na ndariba kwa 3,000 is a lot of money Karo.
Yes, ithatu ni nyingi
tondu ndaribwa cia mbere ndambire ngigura high heels. Karo napenda high heels.
Ona thaisi ona kabuti kare wena kwani kare makabukanye
ngigura high heels na Nivea tumaguta twaribwa twa Nivea kare ka white kauma video 278 I think 278
kinyano akaririkana kagora.
Alafu kwari na spray kangi ka miss gekagwo
kamu giagire na ka powder gako
na ka powder
ndwamenya maundu
na kwari na fair and lovely yo dio baka kabia na white
kamera huko
basara Musana wako mbere wako that was the pack daribwa yo no yari package.
Wow.
Fair and lovely high heels.
Yes.
Miss
Nivea.
Yes. Nilikuwa najipenda sana kutoka kitambo. Kwa hiyo ngiri 3 ni ndonaga nyingi. Baba kinjira atiriri na tondu no ambie kuruta wira umenyo kithi university your personal effects niwe uregurira na mana because nilifanya hiyo mwaka yote ngithire ndagurie to personal effects kwa even the back. Yes. Video you waited for a whole year nigetha, not like now ati warikia no nginya wigire hiyo time ulikuwa unangojea a whole year. Yes. Riu ndagicoka ndathi ndarikia university, you know kiria ambition cia mundu onde koragwa atiriri Karo umalize shule upate job ununue gari upate pesa alafu sasa ndio you know weke maundu maria mangi sasa ujui ground ni different
very different
na tondu kuma tene Karo ningoragwa ngienda riri ni napenda sana kufanya kitu. So the university along the way, by the way isi andu mabinga long holiday rira nguthigicaga ndathiaga ngongania twana twetura watoto njiraga ndutha ici na ciana marikitie university and they laugh. Yeah, because ndathiaga holiday ngamongania Monday from class 1 to class 3 kamaribia 20 bob
Ala.
From class 3 to class 8 30 bob o muthenya na ni ndakoragwo na twana nginya bakubika na mucii
ati
tondu nuramenya gwitu ni gukoragwa busy muno ni gutua kawana sai so parents felt ni sawa ni mathi makathome ngamathomithia karo ndari na skuru ya ciana makiria megana o ndabinga long holiday ngama ask the whole day the whole day from morning to evening tugatinda na moko and parents were happy tondu kwina kundu marathi the whole village kamathomithia. So at some point the university bado githi na gukumona ngiuria wira wa kuthomithia high school nikaenda tena nikafunza long holiday 3 months riu ndarikia but ndarikia riu ngikara for a whole year ndirona wira ile place nilikuwa nakaa karo kwari na kathoko na bau ngona ganduka eno na thoko eno itikoragwa na githeri so ninapikia githeri kwa nyumba ninapelekea huyo wa shop ngamwira siuzie watu nakunanga githeri nikiaguragurirwo no ngwiciria mwene akiona ngathi kiragurwo muno riu rimwe ngakorora nti mwendiu kana ndarakiruta
gikairo haria
gikathuka I gave up all the business tondu riu kugira kitheri gikithuku.
Hey, but that was brilliant. Ndio giciria ati thoko eno he kindu itari what can I supply?
Yes.
Hey, that was brilliant.
Yes. Riu ngacoka kuna kazini yangu okire akinyonia kuruga keki na nyonirie kuruga keki na thaburia na jiko. To me I found that is a business idea. Ngakiruga keki kithari mutiakiragire keki ndukeno mutikoragwa na pieces ya keki ndaburetera na to keki ngiendagia we na by the way alikuwa anapenda hizo keki. Then finally after 1 year riu ngikiona bandu kiambia kuruta wira. Yes.
Wow. Isn't that amazing? Gwituma na hindi no the ni uraiga kamuthitho muthoni wendia to keki wendia gatheri ni urahota kuiga kamuthitho kana ni mahuthiro ciothe
nindambiririe go save na ngiambia kurima nduma gicagi ngakomboraga mitaro ya nduma ngarima nduma and up to date I'm a nduma farmer by the way, a serious nduma farmer. That time ndarimaga small scale nduma to nini but nikaendelea ku advance. Yes, koguo tubia turenda onanga twa keki na 1-2 ngiambia gukombora nginya mitaro gicagi. Yes, ya kurima nduma nini maga nduma karo
ta kundu kuigana atia.
Right now nidirarima nduma na large scale ona ungibatara nduma irenda ate I will supply. Nidirari tukuthikirinyaga one of these fine days nitakuonyesha I am doing nduma farming. There's one thing I have realized with life Karo utembia ciukaga ciandikitwe kuria ciauma.
Exactly, yes.
Tigane ni ndirakwira ndanaruga muthere uwezi jua nilipika githeri na mbia icio na wira uria ndarutaga nacio gutiba ndo ciera ici ni cia githeri tingiko ni kujituma. Na riria ndonire atiriri when you get money ati ciringi imurikagwa ningi ngimenya riu na nikande mitware kirinyaga nyambie kurima nduma and up to date I have done nduma farming for like now 10 years.
Wow. Yes. How is it Muthoni?
Nduma farming is good. Nduma ni gold. Yes, for real nduma is gold. Hii ndikindi kuici ndiracemania na atumia mararuta millions in the soil.
Nduma ni gold. Ugerane maga mushrooms nawe roga ni nduma. Wow, ni ire na market.
Nduma ina market, in fact nduma igiragwo mugunda. Gwitu kuria ndimaga ciukaga ikagirwo mugunda. Wow. The buyers come na itiregana. Yes.
Nice. Twireterere Muthoni kaingi riria turathi na mbere na miturire itu ni tukoragwo na opportunities tutarahota kuona na maitho. We tondu wi muonjoria na ni ugeretie moko maku no kona undu ucio kiwakiri ni tungituteithia kuhinguka maitho ma maundu maria tungika. Taru ndakwira Muthoni ndina kamonda handu gaikaire thi uguo wanjira nduhande nyeni we like already very quickly tatuteithia kuhota gukuuko ni meciria wakinya ni kugia na mieke ya wonjoria.
Karo kwina undu umwe nkugo mundi and I don't care whether someone would feel like I'm so spiritual. Number 1, akoro kwina undu menyaga ni ati the Bible says that it's God who gives us wisdom to make money,
yes.
to make wealth. Ni ore nuna ndira focus na mbia to make wealth. Karo, whatever your hands find to do,
yes,
tuigete Ngai mbere Ngai narathimaga kila kitu yenye tumeanza. Na ni ubora wa gwiciria atiriri hii gap ni nini naweza feel na hii gap na ku risk take. Being a risk taker gote biadara mundu akoragwo ambiriretie akerwa this one is 100% that ni lazima utapata hii. Ndwego ndanendia nginya muthere ukathuka. It is about risk taking in life na kuiga Ngai mbere. Whatever you are doing, put God first. Na kaundu ndukabuthio ndu unde.
Yes.
Usikue wa kuchagua kazi. Ni ndathire university ngithoma anga siwezi fanya hivi, siwezi fanya hivi. Whatever your hands find to do it. Na ngoro emwe.
Yes.
Wago ndozu no one is dying.
Yes.
Try another one. Ute mundu ungi no one is dying. Try another one.
Yes.
Yes.
Wow. Isn't that encouraging? Na muthoni ka mundu ekura ndagi waka ni nduma ne arathire kwe.
Karo. Niyo nginya skuru ne ndite iratu. Yes. Skuru ne ndite iratu. Karo, I know what it means to have nothing. Nothing.
Yes.
Na ndirauga gumurendo maugaga. And I know what it means gukorwa na kibao gya kumubuko menyage this is my coin in my pocket. Mizangu hizi.
Yes.
Ona kwa ne 20 bob. I know those two experiences.
Nice.
I know those two experiences. Karo ndu we karanyo mbora batogu na kibati tena fro. Have you ever lived in such a house? I don't think so. Yes. Actually, njiragwa atiriri, that when I was very small, our first house yari ya Ndoro. I am not saying this for anything. Ndirauga nigetha njire mundu ebandu atiriri, there is a God in heaven. Usenjagia stories. Kwa sababu nigetha mundu ndakegwa ati egweta kebinyirikite muno ageciria atiriri, iyo ni statement. It's a life statement. No, there is God in heaven who changes stories. Ni njiragwa tene ndi munini when I was very young. Nyumba itu yari ya Ndoro. Ere thingaga ona kiria kia ng'ombe. Tukiuma bau tukithia mbao. Yabata gona kibati. And now we are somewhere.
Yes. Oh my God. Say hi to your parents after this interview.
Mr. and Mrs. Manekinengo Makevia.
Muno. Turi macera thini wa kirathi. Twendete gwika tabarira how we met. Hihi no matuire on how they met.
Yes.
And brought forth this beautiful lady. Rĩu muthoni ri. Tiga uhandi wa nduma ri. Ni ate ungi ukoretwo ugika riu nigetha tuke kuri Royal Fashions. Hari undu ungi ukoretwo ugika iri njira ya umithio thini wa muturire waku?
Yes, riu ndarikio boro wa nduma na nini na nikaanza vitu zingine. Kuro kungiandikitwe, but let us now discuss about now business. Nini magando mana ni ndambiririe kurima tene. Na twina Royal Fashions kuria turi mundi. Royal Fashions niyo tugukora tukiaririria muno mundi na ni agutuma nguo. Na huwa ninauza gas. Ni rifiragi gas. So that is another business I do. Na tuko na M-Pesa mahali. Yes.
Wow. Congrats Muthoni.
Thank you so much.
Like I started from the beginning, beating the odds. Tondu mutumia ni abitaga a lot of odds. You're a mother, you need to go where you're employed. Ni ukufatara gukaha ukamenya ria maundu marathi na mbere. Wina thimu cia go supply gas and all that, and they must be done in a day. Na homework ugakora ni ikiro niwe umenyire kiria kiririyo, and organizing your life all together and finding peace for yourself. Mutumia ni afataraga karuhi kanene muno. Muthoni itano kahari Royal Fashions. Ni no nyende waria uhoro wa investment hari atumia. Whenever a woman makes it, mutumia ni ashukaga muno. Ate no Muthoni na ngari njega. No gwo muthaka. No nginya ikone igitwo ni mundu. Is it? Ogwo andu makoma makiuga mutumia no nginya akorwo igitwo. Is that the thing?
It is something I have had so many times. Carol, I went back to school the other day. And I am doing another degree at Kenyatta University. Direct degree Gender and Development Studies. And I went back to school. You see, I needed Rutawira and I am in school.
Yes.
Nijirega kuthi graduation ya one of the ladies kiuga atiriri. Ngoru eta Muthoni njurwe. Ngiuga atumia maka graduate. Those women who are in school, they are women and they are working. Maka graduate after every one semester.
Yes.
Kwa sababu hata kumaliza hiyo one semester, it is work done.
Yes.
Riu kwina andu na momeciragia atiriri ndona Karwe karite wega ni kaigitwe ni mundu na ni ngori atiriri kiuria andu aya maiganaga kwani mubathiaga makathondeka only a person who doesn't know how to make money and how hard it is kuthondeka mbia icio ngiuga Karo ni muige ni mundu. Me I know atumia ni maretumana makathi makaruta wira na gwitungumania na gutina andu mararuta wira ta atumia. Karo rakora nginya mundu arendia mutherio ucu kana arendia nduma kana arendia kiria kingi agacoka kengira cia maga save akagura kamugunda gake kana kaiga wira wake. Mimi, there's one thing I believe. kuna wamama ujituma. Hii maneno ya kuwekwa sijui kuwekwa ni kusema nini. Tani ngurie Karo o mundu nu angekuiga akuve mabatara maku monde.
Gotire.
Riwe kaundu gaka gagukorwo ati atumia gona the days riria atumia mekaraga muci mareterwe. Sai actually turakora atumia maretuma nginya gukira arume acu marerwo ni maraigana. Gona the days. Tariu Karo tu ya badha ici na ulikuwa umetoka kazi kwingine. Na atumia matethukuma atonyoni by the way. I think I need to make that clear. It's high time. And mama ni aterere.
Kabe tudeke karu. Atumia matethukuma atonyoni. Tukioboka. Moyo sokatiriri.
It is high time. Ando mamenye atiriri. Arume magiukira kuthi wira. Ona girl child na rokira kathi wira. Mundurume ucio akiribwa. Ona mutumia ona araribwa. Na ne naramenya uboro wa kiria go save na investment. So wacha tuache kusema ati wona mwire tuna barenja Karo. Ona mutumia na barenja Karo. Anganika bikirwe ni muthuri mutongo. Anganika igetwe ni ngania. Mind your own business. Umothi wira urute wira. Now women are working nowadays. Yes,
it is very true. I agree with you. Ngoko ni ndehaga atumia na ndathikiria ngano cia utoria tukwiranite na au kabere. You be surprised. We wonaga mundu tu na njogeciria kana hihi ni kieka kana hihi otogoga ni mundu ahikire mutongo. But once you realize what women are doing, and it is the odd jobs.
Yes.
Tundu tunini mareko kona ni marahota gutungania bia no gworoga magoka ikundine makahota ku invest. That is really nice. Mudoni reure Royal Fashions ningugite haria kiambiriria ni nyonete andu mahuritwo mbica njera no kona mundu atag Royal Fashions nikuo atumirwo nguo yake. First and foremost Mudoni, Royal Fashions eha na ucoke otwire yambiririo ri na nucio wokira na riciria riu ria uhoro uyu wothaka tondu mutumia ai agade nguo kore na nguo 50 na no kwa mwekirite rita rimwe agaga tu ndi na madina yo hiki. So Royal Fashions eha as we speak na yambiririo ri.
Thank you so much Karo. Na ngucokerie ngatho ni gukorwo nawe a client wa Royal Fashions.
Thank you.
Royal Fashions yambiririe 3 years ago na tukoragwa Kasarani. Kasarani ya Kid bakuve na Shell ya Kasarani. But on a Kasarani, we have clients in Kenya and outside Kenya and all parts of Kenya. Tondu kiria twekaga ni tutumagirwa measurements, we customize for you whatever you want, tugakudelivera on time. We have a diary here, ngusire ni discuss that more. Karo de passion yangu. Ningwirire my first salary ndari bonde zidio borwa iratu nguo gaspreke ni de passion yangu kutoka nikiwa kitambo nikiwa mdogo ninyendete gukorwa smart. I haven't done anything with design but I have a lot of passion. Karo mundu agokanjire atiriri I want to ne wedding ne nyonaga like it's my wedding. And something about me, I'm a perfectionist. I want the best. Tondu ningoragwa njoya atiriri this life the first, you don't have a second chance for the first impression. Karo bureto onana nawe the first day, the way we saw each other the first day, that was it. Ogutu onanire you still have ni evil. Kogo ningeragia kwika atiriri out of passion. Na nenda complain daga muno. Ringi nimeenda mahali ngona hii sasa si nilisema ifanywe hivi imefanywa hivi vingine. Then I decided why don't I solve this problem? Instead of complaining jekiro why don't I solve this problem and start Royal Fashions? So this was an idea out of passion. Gauga ninapenda nguo sana, ninapenda kukua smart. Ndiunde na nguo yangu kwa ndena duka yangu ndonaga I think I should be wearing a new clothes every day. So it was out of passion and I do it with a lot of passion. That is why I don't strain. This trainaga. Wira Royal Fashions. Actually, I am so happy the Royal Fashions than anywhere else. It's art. I sing just like I compose music. Nangoka na kindu. It's the same thing. Go njoka ngona atiri by the way hii tunaweza fanya hivi. Tari skati ndio tutawukire trenda ya maua. Ina mebuko na goko. This one is jeans. Actually ni jeans. Ya Royal Fashions. Tunaishonea hapa. So I come up with something. Na ikinikalia smart na mimi ni satisfaction ya kwa rida mundu akorwa smart. I'm always very happy. So Royal Fashion is out of passion.
Wow. Tureterere Mudoni. Tari udana thikundu gakora mundu na thukuru no agakwira meambiriria hake muciĩ ni hambiriria na andu eri atatu agithii gwa githii handu gacingo gicoka agithii handu ru akihingura. Wambiririo haha kana wambiriria handu food hado na kamashini kadogo. Wambiriria hatu.
Tuambiriria hapa ndipo Royal Fashions tuambiririe. Tulianza hapa na yes tumekuwa hapa for those 3 years.
Haya. Ni wajira mwina diary ni undu wa andu aria mena mabataro matiganite but before utwirite uria muhota gukinyira mundu ucio wi kundu kuraihu na guku na mukahota kumuhingiria bata wake wa kiria muramutumira ri mutumaga nguo ta cia magongona mariku na cia andu ariku is it both genders athuri na atumia kana tu ni cia atumia peke yake?
Okay. Royal Fashions tutumaga nguo cionde. Men, women na ciana zote huwa tunashona. Na bure tuikaga tutumaga nguo cia magongona monde, office wear, weekend wear, cia biki, cia thoni, name them. Nguo iria ungenda tu customize, we are going to do it for you.
Nice. Haya, nindona nguo online na ndamienda na nindakuhurira thimu tuge ta ru digitally uko meet demand yakwa atia?
Riu Kitale, what we do in other parts of the country, ona nguo, and we have had such clients even from Nakuru, Mombasa, na wengine hata US, places mingi sana. Number 1 tukagatirire niwona nguo eno sasa enda kwa fundi utugakwira tutumire measurements. Watu wengi wako na measurements. Tutumira measurements tuka agree na details. We are very keen to details. On a fabric ukaga I want this fabric, this is where I want this flower, tatuma watoto mimi nataka yangu ikuwe hapa. All those details we note them down. Tugasoka tukera no boro wa date karo. Royal Fashions tukwira tugakuba nguo rucio. Trust me, tomorrow utakuwa na hiyo nguo. And that is why we have a diary. Tondu kindu kia ndakaragia tene ni riri karo
ni mafu
to drama twa kubithanira ugu. Here we have a diary. When you come twinanaga mimi ninataka nguo hii weekend twana kwamba gukuwira ni karo not once not twice to meet tondu neto promisire and we are not ready to break that promise. We have a very cooperative team at Royal Fashions na netu ikaraga ndeto kera na tiriri hizi tulisema wakujie kesho. So we have to do it. Na netu endaga akora ni nguo tasia magongona to biki. Kama sasa tuko na zingine za harusi za August, kuna zingine hata za December, na neto anjite kusirutira wira. So that when you are on an event ugakoragwo wina nguo. Even a week before you have tried, you're comfortable. Go ta hizo cia event and all this. So that is why we have a diary. We have 2 numbers. Kwena yakwa koragwa direct, you will talk to me, and then we have a Royal Fashions number. Twaraniria to agree. Now you can always follow up with our receptionist.
Wow, that is so amazing. Todo akoro hari kindu gikoragwo gikimakia mundu ni ngokora fundi ahingurite uhikini wa Saturday ni agakwarikite nguo nigetha thie ndithime ako hari undu kwa just wa mafatare like kaundu kau angikwa mwina diary. It is really important hari gukwa mukimit demand na ni wega muno gukorwo mwikite uguo tondu fundi ni akoragwo we tigiritwo ni kuga hata ndio nafanya saa hizi
ndio nimemalizia
obekinya leo atie kumalizia maliziete riu ni uratwira wina clients guku thiine na nja wa bururi na muthoni dana shamania na mundu mami wa akoragwo US na sister yake na mari atumire nguo yari thaka muno and someone told me when we watumire mami wa nguo icio mu makinyagiria atia kuu
ukoraga atiriri most of the time ni matumanaga kuna mtu anakuja adilete sasa zimekuwa na mtu amekuja tunamtumia hivyo. Na wamekuwa by the way ni makoretwe clients aitumega pio zile nguo zote zimeenda US UK utena nguo cia korwa na thina.
Muthoni dano na one of the places do Tagawira Fabric Homes Limited dano na mekirite nguo ihana ini smart muno na ndona idareherwo yakwa ngiro cithondeketwo ni muthoni kayo ndikienda wone thimu yakwa ndagũcĩvĩte atĩ hĩndĩ ĩyo ndiamenyaga nĩ tuna kuthie njenjie tu mama no nĩ ndamĩendire mũno
mso wa nguo mso fundi one fundi uniform
ona idia kĩtĩtie angĩkorwo nguo ici nĩ cirĩ gũkũ Ngai ũrĩa cienda kare no ndamirora ndagwire hey mundu ni atumite nguo thaka muno
Thank you so
na
much.
waste kega na material njega like you don't even compromise on the quality ni undu mwega muno ndwiri mundu ni gwenda material no gakora tio irokire ni utumagira andu angi kambuni-ini kana kundu andu marabatara gwikira uniform ukamatumira ihanaine.
Yes. Na njuge, we want to thank Brico Home sana. Nitukoretwo tukimadress for a long time. Na ndumangi, even Maonolines, na wengine na other many companies. Nitutumaga nginya cia thibitari, nguo za hospitali, cia sukuru, anywhere that you need a uniform, an outfit. Na nitugeragia atiriri. Nitugeragia kuga atiriri Karo. Totratuma tu uniform nigetha, you know uniforms can be boring. We try to bring it a touch. Ukigwa na wekera uniform, it's something that is smart and classy. That's what we do. Na nikyo nitwendaga go take time na designing. Na tukaerana na client tugekarade, we advise the client tukamwira hata kama ni uniform tunaona tunaweza fanya hivi, tunaweza fanya hivi. Na most of our clients wame appreciate. Juu kuna watu walikuwa nafikiria akaona ni uniform ora tuma then let it look like a uniform. So even for companies ni to customers, zagira company we do the logos na inatokea kitu mzuri sana. Yes.
Nice. Muthoni hahogo hari drawer yaku ri ndiona mithembe tiganite ya materials na ginya ngona iratu iria ciothe muthoni ni ciake.
Abaye nitukoragwa na fabric, nitugira fabric, we even get our fabric from Ghana, Tanzania, na tunakuwa na fabric hapa. Dengi cia clients na wanasia go customize nguo. Natoka make sure na watu manguo. I'm always very ningeragia even from my schedules at the client yake ya nguo ni doka, so that we discuss about the engagement. Even if I'm not making the hair, tugakorwa na kugatirire hii nguo itaenda na hii nywele na utavaa hii kiatu, earrings usivae mrefu, vaa hivi. Ninyendaga muno, we complete that look. Apart from gugutumira nguo thie, you want to make sure that you have achieved what you want. Yes.
Wow, tarutha ici ri tukiambiriria interview ri hete ino kwenda no watwira asha ino nditwaranaga na nguo teno ino itwaranaga na nguo muthemba ungi nguo ite busy and I picked a lot from that like you already know dress code yagiriro gutwarana na na kindu uria gitari kogo muthoni kuigwe tatwarana na midira nene.
Yes, kwena nguo ngikira ukwe too much like now a busy cloth nona nguo tari busy tugete no this dress ino ne yarura suit for someone yarura suit oyange ukagwikira nguo the first fitting twari nake nikaona nika make sure nimeona a fit it is mastered. Kogo ingamira atiriri na watch utavaa hii kama ni hii sasa wewe hii hautashinda ukivaa hii kwa sababu ni busy. We talk, we discuss. Akaona ni kiratu ningedoge kira kiratu this because nguo tu Karo. Out of when you do something with passion you endaga kuona kaundu kaukarika and I started by saying I'm a perfectionist na I'm so keen nindu imundu ekirite kutoka kitambo so ninatikingi hiyo time that extra ndingimita nindwi hiyo extra mile ya kugatiriri ndio umeshona nguo kwetu we appreciate no njwere kama saa hii tutakwambia nywele shika ukishika kuna vile
because already ina
so usiachilie nywele.
But that is really nice. Nigetha mundu athiire ndagathukio thaka wa nguo na kindu kingi ongereire akorwo ari confident na everything agukorwo na wow nice.
Some I even follow them up nginya ruracio nga make sure iko wapi nitakuja Yes, and then I want to see them. I want to be a part of those beautiful memories. You know, tare mundu Karo ne ubikiareka ama ni rurashio. That is a day someone has really waited for. Kogo no nyende I am always happy to be that na ne appreciate kama no I appreciate my clients nego to be a chance ya gukorwa a story in their story of those beautiful memories.
Wow, great. Tiratere muthoni wira-ini uyu ri what has been your most memorable moment thini wa wira uyu wa utumi wa nguo?
Memorable moments zimekuwa mingi sana. One thing I like about Royal Fashions ninyendete ko interact na andu muno and I like solving problems. I like your satisfaction yangu ni there was an issue here, now we have here, we have this. Memorable moments, number one, I've made friends. Friends from this job tugakora ni twamenyana kwao ni mamenya gwitu. They have kuna referrals. Kwanza any client who bring a referral nijikagwa wega no tondu ni menyaga atiriri we really satisfied the client. Ingĩkoragwo rĩrĩ nĩmo kama by the way through this job ngoretwo ngĩmenya nginya gũtinia keki rĩu. Someone comes and akauga tutina gutinia keki tuteka muthoni niwe utatukatia keki, you see now you not be able to kuga hari ugakora ni mumenyire nginya gutinithia keki cio biki gutinithia keki anga cia ruracio. Have done that out of this job. I have learned koguo wira uyu ni wakirite na kuga atiriri your patience and dealing with everyone. Kwi mundu okaga karoga kwira ati mutaiga kushona hii nguo na ma ena attitude 200 plus 1 times 3 and I have to and I have to maintain that smell. Akitujaribu tu utaona no kona view adi zile za okay let me see ile siku yenye ana fit mpaka anakuhug akakwira mimi hata yes. So those are some of the memorable moments. Feeling like yes.
Have you ever had low moments?
Very low moments. Very low moments. Very low moments. Karo, you see, whatever utakoragwa na disadvantages. Just like you have those bad days at work. Gote mundu atakoragwa na those dinge mukonda kindu kiumeba, but really inatoka ama kunakuwa tu na siku anataka hii, siku anataka hii, but really yes.
Yeah, of course todo kinyadara na guisi they are so beautiful. Atirire muthoni tuguka kurekerera horo wa Royal Fashions na ni gutonengera namba cia thimu kana uri unyitikaga tatwire atiriri ni ukoretwo ugithomithia mbeu njiri gukorwo makiga uhoro uyu wa fashion todo looking at what you have thina wa dukeno looks like ni undu wagiriro gutiganirwo kuri andu angi na angi na angi todo first and foremost muiretu omwe nake ha ni specialist kana ni professional in this job ni uthomithagia andu angi kana mwina mubango ucio
Karo this is something ndanero maingi muno actually 3 years back anza kufunza but I have one problem ndanegwe rimwe I would want to be a part of the process kogungore twengirodia schedules yakwa the other side you know the other side where I work na rimwe igakorwa itira fitting na ringi na kuthomithia but there's something I've been doing Karo ndaneta atumia ba kana ndo ere mundu anjira atiriri natafuta kazi ngamwira atiriri nengire akathoma for free from the designer. Tugacoka tukamenya buria ngiona machine yarute wira ucio. Those are the only things that we have done. We've empowered even young people from the village. Arama umete family ringi itena kiria muno mundu agokage kakothi gake for free na kathi. Yes, that is what I have done. Dingi goboro wa kuthomithia. Na twathigicaga ngakora ameshonea watu nguo na tunafurahi. Saa zingine namtumia designer waambia tumaita isuko une ikuthi. And I'm happy when I find these people doing this thing. Kana someone who is a single mother akauga ati ana kazi anaweza taka kujua kazi tunampatia opportunity ya kusoma for free. We've mentored like 10. Yes, like 10. From different people and umangi detari damage after mentoring them. Na tunapata clients tu hapa wamewasaidia kununua machine na makambia wira wao but we have never charged anyone. Yes.
And not only that is even more impactful. Like kurehe mundu ate mundu umite family tare hota na gaka ni kana ga gicagi ukona reke goke gathome undu cio for free.
Yes.
You have empowered a generation. Tondu mwana ucio athie ko gicagi ri ambia gutuma nguo icio ri onagia na family ri ithe ndona livelihood yake mwana wake ri ni ahota guthoma nake in future ni akenda hiwira ta wa mami wao na tondu kuna uge muingi wikuo tha ici ri agathi na mbere kuongerera nendo gakora Royal Fashions ege kumania na kindu kiu waheanira hatare na marihi. Wow, kudos, that is great. Na muthonire drona tongenda gutwika mutongoria utambie maundu maya hari andu aingi tukambiriria hari atugatiriri umite in the land of power kuria twanona gukiuma ki atongoria ni ukoragwo hina cioneki icio cia utongoria.
There's something I'm thinking Karo ndiraririkana tu yaba tukiaria kwibindi my mama erika kunjira atiriri when you are a small girl ndarugaga irio ngakora ni witire ciana from the village ukamaba irio tuka sapa nikikuja food imepeano na my dad akauga atiriri mwana uyu akora ni gatukamenya kakoragwa mutana ici generous kana akoragwa kiananga tondu irio ti ciake. So they kept on saying tutataka kujua huyu ni kukua na sharing.
Yes.
Well And that is why nenjoy I know Karo,
Yes.
there's one thing I know in everything that you do at the end of it all, it is what you leave behind.
Yes.
Kuria Ngai andutite ni kunene for to be where I am.
Yes.
Koguo ni ndeuragia atiriri nigetha riu tondu kama hii Njuga Royal Fashions, it's a contract with God.
Yes.
Wewe unipatie client na mimi nifanye hii side nyingine. What is that legacy that I will leave? Tiga Royal Fashions, ona kwa ndira leave muturire wakwa ngitura kwina andu magunikite because of what I'm doing. Ni undu Ngai aturathimaga ni kumwe incorporate in the things that we are doing. Karo, I have interest in Kirinya, and I'm thinking about it very much. Na no nyende what I'm doing. Ngai ande I do it in a big way. Yes.
Wow. Ni ugo tukitekera thaa ici tukorie interest yaku nikika tweterere mutware na Ngai kidogo tukanirira
ni tukwanirira very soon. Yes.
Etigo. Wow, we wish you all the best. Thank you. No riu noana ni dona through what you're saying and where you've come from as a lady, ni urutite wira mwingi muno even on yourself, na kwi hindi ugutwirite that sometimes ndenda go complain kwi Ngai ona ni wenda gutuma mundu we you send them to God.
You know you go through some things no kauga ati God why me, why maundu maria mekikagira andu aria righteous niki, because everyone feels they are righteous. But ukona karugendo karia what God has done for me, I do not have moral authority ya kuthikwe Ngai ndimwire nyewe you don't love me. Honestly, ona korwo ni mundu angiria noga ni wero swadutirite. So I do not have the moral authority to complain. No ni ndeuragia atiriri Karo, when we meet with you ndasemania na mundu uria ungi, I want to leave a mark.
Yes.
A positive mark.
Yes.
I want to leave a positive mark. Wena maundu mengi tukoretwo tukika Kirinyaga nginya na the girls kumena atiriri it is possible to become anything.
Yes.
You just have to trust God na you do your part. Yes. And that is why I did interest cia Kirinyaga. Cia kuga atiriri we can work together and we change our stories. Yes.
We wish you all the best Muthoni in what you aspire to be in Kirinyaga. No tugukorwo hamwe nawe na turageria gukwira atiriri thaa ici wathi ndukana turiganirwe ni ndikana hoya thimu yako
Tikegeria na uniombe ohoere fio there are so many things
you never know.
Yes, tusemanake kwa tukageri na tia kwanyu. Yes, because women can become anything. Karo kwino ndo ndirera ladies nangamera to break those ons.
Yes,
Karo, even going to school ona korwo ni ndui what you can do as a woman, do it.
Yes.
Do it. Go na the days twetagirira ati until a man does this, until a man does this. Do it. Be God fearing, a woman who fears God. Na weke kiria urabatarika gwika, God blesses that woman. So I'm encouraging ladies, find something to do. Doesn't matter ni ndu ikiukorwo gika, lakini Mungu atabariki chenye utafanya. Na ndukamake, don't fear doing anything. Ati ngugura ngari no mauge kanjigitwo, it is okay. People talk and move on.
That is very true.
Yes.
You're right.
You know, there's a time I was telling people that my grandmother died when I was in class 6. Those are like 20 years ago. But we still talk about her.
Yes.
So why do you think that we should not talk about you?
Yeah. And when you improve your life, there's always a statement on it.
Yes. Let us not fear going big and doing things as ladies. Let us do it. People will catch up eventually.
That is so true.
Yes.
I agree with you completely. You're a role model, Muthoni.
Yes. I have so many role models. And I feel like new doa politics. Some are in politics. I might not mention them, but I have role models. One of my role model ni mutumia wetagwo Sarah Selem. Sarah Selem is a woman who fears God. Na she has been in power. Na I admire her. Uria ekuaga the way she carries herself. That tells me something, Karo. Ati no korwe big, no ni tondo agwitigira Ngai, you still maintain. Yes.
That is true. Wow, nice Muthoni. Turia atiriri, all this time I've noticed ugika interview you acknowledge everything to God. Maybe which is your favorite verse kana niki giki, what is this motivation that you have every day ikurekaga ugathi na mbere na muture waku, na no watu era complaining and you ne maundu meri tofauti, which I think is one key to happiness. Hii motivation yako ikoragwo ereki?
Motivation yakwa, one, I'm brought up from kiria background ya my parents. Njiarirwe kanitha, ngarerwa kanitha, but that is not the reason why I acknowledge God so much. Fundi wetu wa Royal Fashion designer ni pastor, by the way. Ni tukoragwo na fellowship every morning before we start our job. Tondu tugaga atiriri wiro yo turaruta ni taka turarutira Ngai. Karo, I have a story with God. Do you kana kwibundu akabota ku understand the relationship that I have with God? Nitondu ni joy. I can only acknowledge everything that I have to God. What motivates me? Ni ate niyo. Nenjigagwa there is God of Abraham. I hear. That is something I hear. Njigagwa ndo makiuga there is God of Abraham. But I know God of Muthoni. Yes.
Exactly, yes, God of Muthoni.
Yes, I know God of Muthoni. Ni ndo wa maundu maria anajikira. Karo, kuna time tunafunga hii kazi na watu wanaenda Heaven's Gate ama anywhere else kuboya. In everything that we do, we acknowledge God. That has been it. The reason why I acknowledge God, onantikireke anandikwa, not even what is written. Maundu, the personal journey and experiences that tukoretwe nake. Nakanyonia indeed nangona bau ona ndo maito matingia death. Huyo ni Mungu tu amenisaidia. Bau ugeka badhabu kona hapa ni Mungu.
I agree with you. Muthoni, itana kureka riu utonengere namba ya Royal Fashions na niondo wa nduma umenye kwi mundu ungibatara nduma tondu iturire icio ni ukuragia na njira nene muno ona kana gas tondu maundu tofauti wikaga ri. Muthoni ikikurekererio thie njoka haria ngandikirwo ni mundu atwire routine yaku ya kumenyera ngothi yaku ningakohithirie mwiroreri muno matuto kunyirete Muthoni hakuhi ndirore nakoragwo ahenagia ta nyanya nijirenda kwiroreri ngidange kuria
ni God. Ni God. Ni God. Well, I get my product. Juge kuria nyona products siakwa Yes, true. I get my products from Pharma Plus. Pharma Plus ni amurata wakwa, it's a company, it's a chemist, pharmacy. Nikungiaga products siakwa. That's where I get my skin product, lotions, madhabuni makuthambio thio, anything they have it. Na wewe ndanakwira ngutware maingi tapeleka.
Joke mukoreria.
Ni hiyo tu. Na na watu wasijipatie stress na kwaga stress. You live one day at a time. Rusiunga ina kamenya burioke kana.
That is true. Yes. Wow. Thank you so much Muthoni. Before ngunegerete haha kuneana nambari, hi hari undu ungienda kuongerera hari maundu maria hihitana kuria.
Ndingienda kuongerera atiriri. Karo, ni tukoretwe na issues nyingi muno cia tumia kwigwa like and ladies kwigwa like they are not capable kana mundu kwigwa atiriri tondu ni ndabikire that was the end of it. Pasu kire wigagwa no wike ta mutumia do it. Na njoke njuge atiriri angikorwo kwi mundu wi bau thingi a single mother ararigwa egwika atia kana someone from a very humble background, I'm ready to support that person na kumwonia gutuma nguo for free. Nice. For free. Tuyo tiambete training, but niyo njika gwende satisfied more when we do it for people who really need it.
Yes. Wow.
Juga atiri Karo, anytime mundu araria ugire ogisiko kia irio kwina mundu arakwene ngaragu, someone who needs that spoon. Irio is more than you. Tondu no kurite kiroko. So mimi naweza sema hivi Karo, na kwa sababu ya heshima yako na bure tutwaranite wega, that needy person, that single mom angienda gutrain uboro wa gutuma nguo, we are going to do that for free.
Wow, great Muthoni. Yani your heart is full of charity. You love people. You love doing what is right. Wow, thank you so much Muthoni. Na urwo wauga mundu fatie mundu mufataru gia fio. Please let those people be the ones magoka kuyukia mwekesho. Dirikana nitugukunengera namba cia Muthoni na ningĩ cia kĩrathi gĩa Karo Kinyugo Mwaura nacio nĩ tũgũkorwo tũgĩkwandĩkĩra hau nĩ ũndũ wa mũndũ ũcio mũbataru makĩria. They need a breakthrough. No korwo nĩ mũndũ ũrahoyaga Mũthoni akoria Ngai gwĩka atĩa kana ngũrora nakũ, na rĩu ĩno nĩ opening yake thĩinĩ wa mũtũrĩre wake. Thank you for being a blessing to others. Na nĩkĩo Ngai agũthiĩ na mbere gũkuongerera. Asante sana. Rĩu rĩ mwĩroreri witũ mwĩra kũrĩa angĩkũnyita nginya tũtinakũria ũhoro wa wĩini no ithuĩ gũkũ no tũrĩũkaga ndiũka nĩ gũtũhata kana atĩa rĩu no nginya tuonagie mwĩroreri rĩrĩ some of the things you have named. Nĩtiguo rĩu rĩ mere kũrĩa mangĩkuona.
Our Facebook page twina Facebook ĩtagwo Muthoni Maina Music, ndina TikTok Mso, na kuna ingine ya Royal Fashion. TikTok yakwa ni Muthoni ama Mso 7777, alafu tuko na TikTok ya Royal Fashions, na namba yakwa ya thimu ni 0714 829 517 0714 829 517 kana 0793 022 468 0793 022-468.
Thank you so much Muthoni.
Na
tugacokia ngatho muno na otoguo wona video igithiaga na mbere mithembe yothe ya nguo na video icio wakorwo ukiona hau igithie screen yaku ucio wothe ni wira wa Royal Fashions. Angikorwo ni ukwenda onawe guthakara ugithii igongona riothe ona kana wabici wira kundu guothe ungikorwo ukibatara no korwo kiaraniria na Muthoni kuhitukira namba ya tunengera ririkana nginya aria menja wa bururi ihinda-ini riri ni andu aingi muno meguku bururi-ini mokite gucera mangigacoka murimo no ukorwo ugituma no thondekerwo gakuo gaku kega kiria urabatara no gutuma measurement cia kuririkana ni atura mena diary rekoragwo iki-indicate uyu uri nguo yake irabatarania rina koguo ndugakona haho ati muthenya ucio no ukorwo kinyite mundu ucio yagicoka na nguo hihi ndirikite no nginya gakorwo irikite kuringana na kiriko kiria twakorwo tukinegererio ni Muthoni tukendekithiria Muthoni maundu mega hamwe na aria marutaga wira nao thiini wa gikaro giki na ningi ona kuriwe. I hope you inspired ukaigua kuria mundu aumaga na kuria Ngai amutwaraga gwiraga hindi ciothe tugika tabarire no ya This Is Me tukoragwo tugietha njira cia guku inspire ni twi ihinda-ini riri andu ni maragerera maundu maingi muno na maritu wagi wa mbeca wagi wa mawira na maundu matiganite. Just look around you wahota kuona kaundu ungihota gwika toguo Muthoni arauga acuthiririe njake na aiyaga thoko-ini gaka gutiri githeri na akiambiriria gukiendia kiririkana ni mari mutaroko wao akiambiriria guthondeka wonjoria kuhitukira wendia wa andu. It's the same way Ngai onake agukwe wisdom ya gucaria wealth na ni ugukorwo ugikinyanira. Ni ngwendete muno gakuhoera urime gukumia ritwa riakwa ni Karo Kinyugo Mwaura. Tucokerie ngatho Royal Fashions na tucokerie ngatho Brico Homes Limited ni undu wa kumagaria kirathi gia Karo Kinyugo Mwaura. Namba citu cia kirathi ire hau screen-ini yaku onawe ungienda gushare rugano rwaku na ithuĩ na ningi no nyandikira kuhitukira email address o iyo iri hau maguru-ini ma screen yaku. Kwaheri.
Na muthenya umuthi mwina mwarimu witu wa kirathi gia Karo Kinyugo Mwaura twi mwena wa Kamakis kuria twina project kiroro ya Blossom View Gardens phase 2.
Phase 2 sure.
Ni phase 2. Phase 1 marakoretwo magura na ihenya muno riu tukiona tukigura phase 2 tondu ni handu harendwo na nyingi ni andu eni.
Wow. Yes. Thank you so much Njoro for that. Riu ri wira uria twatinde tukiruta guku nawe na andu angi tuguteithanagia nao wa ku make sure ni kuirige wega nini makioro wega na nginya marangi maito ma Brico Homes Limited maya ma green na white nimo twatiga twa identify kundu guku na namo itiguo. Njoro bata witu wa kuirigira client witu ri ni uriku?
Ici ni ciugo itu iricokeretwo nginya ni director witu gitumi ithu kuiriga uu ri ti gukorwo ati maybe twina mbeca nyingi kana gukorwo ati ni kwenda muno but Vim Kala itona ugu irauga this shows that this is our territory.
Yes.
Ownership, yes, and sense of ownership is in here. Negetha andu metikie atiriri mugundo ni witu na title irathoma ithui tutingiriga mugundo wothe uguo tutambite kurikania na mwene kana gukiruta nginya titles ini